guys, it's JJ from JJ Collects and Plays, and today I have a box of Select 3000 2020 and 3 starter packs as well. So let's open it up, see what we get. We'll do the starter packs first.
Cool.
Just quickly, I want to give a shout out to Sports Cardboard Adelaide for giving us these free sleeves. Go get your cards from Matt and Ben. That's what you said in my birthday video. I can remember from the Prestige video. Oh, we have a Suns Fireburst. So in the starter packs this year you get certain bursts. This year you get Fireburst, and this is the banking for the Suns Fireburst, number 35. They're not numbered.
Mitch Robertson for Brisbane on that one.
They're not numbered, the Firebursts. I'm just saying what number it is in the set. Oh. Jed Anderson holographic foil and Ed Langdon camo burst.
Yeah, you'll be happy with this one.
Oh, great.
Harry Cunningham and the Matty Rao for the Suns with an acetate.
You might be asking why am I wearing a first pack? Well, because it was the first thing I could find in my closet.
Either either.
It was. I'm not even kidding. Ooh, this is interesting. I'll go for it.
Brendan Parfitt with Parallel and Mitch McGovern burst.
Dougal Howard for his Saints holographic foil. Dad, you're gonna love this one.
Am I?
200 game milestone Daniel Talia for the Adelaide Crows.
Very nice.
Told you gonna like it. Don't like it.
Keep going with the Crows.
Oh.
Chase Jones and Callan Ward bursts.
Ooh. I don't know if you don't like this one or not, but Oscar Allen holographic foil for West Coast, and Mitch Duncan holographic foil for the Cats. Oh, damn. Right, do it fine. Oh. Adam Kara for the Dockers. Fireburst. Fireburst looked good this year, to be honest. Better than previous years in the starter packs.
Something decent out of these starter packs would be nice. Maybe hit.
Ooh, Suns. We have a Suns holographic foil Ben Ainsworth.
Bang!
Oh. And Game Breaker Ed Kerno for Carlton.
Should we leave the bang till the end?
No, shortly after this pack.
Okay.
You know what team it is?
Yeah.
Ooh, that makes it even more interesting. Just make sure the packs don't fly away later. Oh, I thought we were going to have a second bang, but we didn't. Luke Jackson holographic foil for Melbourne. And another Game Breaker, Sam Menegola for the Cats.
There's a Brody Myerjack in the Parallel.
Oh, I can tell this.
And the bang. Luke Davies.
Oh, what number does he wear?
Number 47 of 210. I don't reckon he's going to be number 47.
Fun.
Pretty sure he's not.
Yeah. We'll look that up
Get
after
that
and tell you in
open.
the comments whether that's correct or not.
Let's see off this box.
Oh yeah, short time seal.
There we go.
Let's hope I can get some.
It's not really ripping in cards. That's good. Great.
Where's that came out a bit weirder?
There you go. Front or back.
It's a mix. Oh Jesus, if I can ever get this off.
Don't need it.
So do. So stores usually do it.
Okay.
I get my first of something this year. I'll do mine first.
Sam Gray Parallel and
Oh, that's nice.
Nat 5 acetate.
Liam Duggan holographic foil West Coast, and I actually have my first $10,000 wood card for the year.
Oh, Willie.
I have my first for the year. I didn't get one at all last break. Remember, you got like 5 of them. Don't tell me you got a bang.
I'll tell you.
No way.
There you have it.
No, not so.
Hamish Hartlett in the Parallel and Maxi Gorn in
How?
a Game Breaker.
I think I've got another Willy
It's our
Wonka.
first Game Breaker for today.
No, it's not. It's our third.
Oh, is it? Okay. Try some of them.
Lucky Ash holographic foil, and back-to-back Willy Wonka golden tickets for me.
Oh, this pack doesn't want to open. Is that a good sign or bad sign?
Bad sign. Probably gonna come with this. Or Willy Wonka.
Or nothing at all. Dylan Grimes. That and Reese Matheson Burst.
Jack Henry holographic foil for the Cats. Elliot Yo Game Breaker for West Coast. Kind of like the Game Breakers this year. A lot better than last year. Oh, I thought we missed it.
Jake Kelly and Chris Main on the bursts. Lots of bursts.
Are we ever going to get something good?
Should be getting 2 good cards. Should be 2 hits in the box.
Should be. James Robot and holographic foil for Sydney. And a Neville Jeter camo burst for Melbourne.
One for the Crows fans again. Darcy Fogarty in a parallel and a Rory Sloane Game Breaker.
I think that was a card.
Crows
I'll
double.
see if I can know his name there. No, it's not. Oh, how many times am I going to get the golden ticket? Jared Berry holographic foil for Brisbane. Oh, yay. Something good coming there.
Lincoln McCarthy
And I got another $10,000 ticket.
and a Hugh Greenwood Game Breaker.
Let's go. Haven't got many Suns ones this year at all, to be honest. We'll probably get another full set like we did last time. Oh, this is interesting. I'll go first. Daniel Rioli holographic foil Richmond and a Caleb Daniel holographic foil for the Bulldogs. Jeez, this is heavy.
That's an acetate, not a holographic foil.
Oh my god. What am I doing?
There we go. We've got Jack Newings and Jack Graham Game Breaker.
Yes, I made that mistake. That's probably going to cost us. Never seen this card before. It's not a marquee card. Phil Davis holographic foil and a milestone Scott Weiss at 100 games for Port Adelaide.
Bailey Williams foil and a Jaden Short acetate.
I really want to get it here. I didn't get it. I got one here and I got the rare
I
here.
think you'll get the bang.
Probably not.
No?
A Betts holographic foil and a Will Setterfield camo burst for Carlton.
Still no hits.
Oh,
Devin
God.
Smith
Might not be here. Any hit.
and Sam Taylor in a burst.
It might be again like at the bottom.
Maybe. Hopefully there's 2.
Hopefully.
Usually a lightning as well as a bang.
Well, it could be a predictor even.
Predictor would be good.
Matt Guffley for holographic foil for Essendon.
Jordan Roughhead.
Patrick Luginski camo burst for the Bulldogs.
Zach Tui, 200 games.
Nah, it's here. I think I might have it.
Really?
If it's thick, I know it's something good. It's thin. I go first. Jack Scrimshaw holographic foil for Hawthorn.
We were saying this morning you wouldn't get one of these, but not this one. Jack Loney in the hologram, and it's a Suns milestone. Jared Hargrave,
yeah.
250 games.
I also got another milestone. 100 game milestone Tom Hickey for West Coast. You've probably got the lightning burst.
Okay.
It will be, I know.
Bang.
Oh, you've got the...
What do you think? Yeah, that's a bang.
Okay.
Bang. This one
Luke
is-
Jackson holographic foil. And a Salmon Angola game breaker. I reckon that was the same one I got in the stars and the same
So will
two.
we get a second insert card?
And you'll be you who's getting it as well.
Michael Hibbard and Dan. Ooh, that was Dan Houston Burst. Will I grab that before
You're
the
gonna
ball
have to
hits
go.
it?
Ooh, 2 pull cards. Sandpal Pepper holographic foil. And a Club Acetate Zach Butters. I've seen a lot of Zach Butter cards around these days. You've probably got the lining first. If that's the rare card, I'm revealing it back.
Luke Dalhouse and another burst for Ethan Hughes.
I also got Ethan Hughes holographic foil.
Wow.
And Brandon Ellis camo burst. Nah, you've got it. That's.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Callum Wilkie, and we've got acetate for Nick Haynes.
I have an acetate as
GWS.
well. Liam Ryan holographic foil West Coast. And a Collingwood Club acetate Braden Magnard.
Again, going card numbers here.
What are we?
7.
4.
You can do 4. Far away.
What's your pack behind there? I reckon you're going to get it as well. It might not even be a
Do you want
second.
to trade?
No.
You sure?
Curtis Taylor North Melbourne holographic foil and a Game Breakers Dustin Heppel for the Bombers.
You sure you don't want this one?
Stop doing this. Last time I did that, you got the really rare card. Yeah, I can just... What?
We'll just leave that one there.
What the?
I think it's a lightning. I'm pretty sure it's a lightning. Should we check? Without showing you. Yeah,
It is a lightning. I can see it. I saw that. Matt Hannibal holographic foil for Fremantle.
Will we get 3? Can we still get a predictor? It's happened before.
Caleb Singh for Fremantle Game Breaker.
Blake Hardwick and Luke Brown for the Crows in the burst.
My common cards, I had them in an 8 pile and they've just come tumbling down. Like I have with every special card I get.
Cool.
You still have one left
One left.
for you.
What do we got?
Connor Budrick holographic foil for the Suns. And Harry Cunningham camo burst.
Will we get a 3rd insert?
No, but there's no way we'll get a marquee. Surely not.
No, this is a milestone, I reckon. Ben Ainsworth.
No.
No, game breaker.
This week's camo burst, I can just tell.
Ed Kerner, game breaker.
Yeah, it's a camo burst.
Go burst.
Yeah, I predicted that as well. But I never predicted the same. Cameron Zerha for North Melbourne holographic foil. And to finish it off for me is a Patrick Ambrose camo burst for Essendon. Can I do the lightning?
The lightning.
You go first because you've got the common card.
Common card.
You've got the commonmost card.
Brody Myercheck.
I can just tell this is going to be a very high number.
And we have got
Oh!
James Sicily for the Hawks.
I think
Number
my lightning's a lot rarer than yours.
113 of 210.
Okay, I'm pretty sure my lightning is more popular player than yours. A lot. By a long way.
What we got?
Tom Liberatore holographic foil for Bulldogs. And we have a Bradley Hill lightning for the Sainers. Numbered 093 out of 210.
There we go.
So the 3 big hits. We're probably going to sell those as well.
Cool.
Well, thank you guys for watching again. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss another update. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. See yous!